Now today we will going to see practical problem. Now in today's PPT we will going to solve practical problems. Along with that we will give you some assignment also, but purely depending on how you are understanding the concept. Yes. Problem number 1. X Limited has issued 30,000 8% preference shares of rupees 10 each in 2018. All the shares are fully called up and paid up. These shares are redeemable on 31st March 2018, on which date the profit and loss account of the company had a credit balance of 1,30,000 and general reserve stood at 2,50,000. The shares were duly redeemed. Show the journal entry for the redemption of preference share. Now look at here. In the last lecture, we have seen the accounting procedure. There we have seen 15 journal entries, and out of that, 11 journal entries are directly related to redemption of preference shares. First 5 entry was related to converting partly paid up share into fully paid up share. But here in this problem, we have fully paid up shares with us. So there is no need to pass 1 to 5 entry, which is of making a call, collection of call, then forfeiting, reissue of forfeited shares, and transfer to capital reserve. So this 5 entry will not be there. Then the 6th entry was sell of asset and investment. Now in this problem, we don't have any asset to be sold out. So that entry particular was also not there. My entry number 7 at per the accounting procedure was issue of shares, fresh issue of shares. Now here we are doing redemption out of profit. Why we are doing out of profit? Because we have a sufficient balance with the company. Profit and loss account have 1,30,000 and general reserve have 2,50,000. Both are divisible profit. So entry number 7 will not be there. Entry number 8 was transfer of claim, and I said that entry is a compulsory entry. So our first entry will be a transfer of claim. Then the 9th entry was providing premium. Now here we are transferring a claim at par. Whenever the word premium or any other word is written, we will assume that the liability are paid or claim are transferred at par. Okay. Then entry number 10 was creation of CRR, that we will do because we are doing redemption out of profit, and final entry of claim settlement, that will be there. So let come to the practical problem. Yes, here we have practical problem. So problem says on 31st March 2018, okay, shares are redeemed. So now write down here 31st March 2018. So this is a journal entry in the books of X Limited for redemption of preference shares, and my first entry will be capital account to holders account. So 8% preference share capital account debited to 8% preference share holders account. Okay, how much was the amount? How much was the amount? Look at here, 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So it comes to 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees. So my narration will be being claim transferred at par. Okay. Now after that, my next entry will be of creation of CRR. Because as per the order of accounting procedure, after we pass a entry of ट्रांसफर वी पास है एंट्री ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग अ प्रीमियम, लेकिन वो हम कब करते हैं? व्हेन यू आर ट्रांसफरिंग अ क्लेम एट प्रीमियम. Now we are not transferring claim at premium, we are transferring at par, so there is no need to pass an entry of providing premium, क्योंकि प्रीमियम की जरूरत नहीं हमको. So on the same date we will going to pass another entry where we will create a CRR. अब देखिए यहाँ पर जनरल रिजर्व भी है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट भी है, हम दोनों भी यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस 130 पूरा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और इस बैलेंस इसमें से कर सकते हैं, या वाइस वर्सा. सो देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल कि आपको जनरल रिजर्व पूरा यूज करना है कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पूरा यूज करना है, अनटिल अनलेस इट इज मेंशन दैट कि आप रिजर्व मत यूज करो या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस मत यूज करो. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो वी विल टेक एज पर आर रिक्वायरमेंट. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ, पहले जनरल रिजर्व पूरा ले रहा हूँ. जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट debited, okay, 2,50,000. If the company policy is to reserve or to keep a reserve, then they can take a minimum amount from the reserve. They can take a maximum amount from profit and loss account. Is purely depending on the company's policy. Profit and loss account. और कुछ भी नहीं दिया तो you can take as per your choice. 50,000. ठीक है. So as I said, when you go for redemption out of profit, you have to create equal amount, equal to nominal amount of shares which you will going to redeem. तो हम कितने का रिडीम करें? 3 लाख रुपीस का. तो आपका कितने का बनेगा CRR बेटा? 3 लाख रुपीस का. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा टू कैपिटल रिडम्पशन रिजर्व अकाउंट. ठीक है, नरेशन आएगा बीइंग CRR created for redemption of preference shares. ठीक है, and after that my last entry will be of claim settlement. जब भी claim settlement की entry पास में, my entry will be holders account debited to bank. So here we have 8% preference shareholders account debited to bank account. My narration will be being claim settled at par, and the amount will be 3 lakhs rupees. So now move to the next problem. Next problem is also a similar type problem. This is also a problem of redemption out of profit. Okay, in the beginning, first problem we are doing simple problem just to give you idea, and fifth problem onward we will start solving a full-fledged problem. So again, this is a problem of redemption out of profit. Let's see. X Limited issued 1,60,000 10% preference share of rupees 10 each in 2017. Remember one thing here, year is very important, because in the act it is said that if your shares are issued after 2013 or after the commencement of 2013 act, all the premium amount should be taken out from divisible profit. Okay? These shares are redeemable on 31st March 2018, on which date profit and loss account had a credit balance of rupees 8 lakh, general reserve of rupees 12 lakh. These shares were duly redeemed. Show the general entry. Same problem, only the amount are different. So what we will going to do? You will going to tell me the entries one by one. Yes, first entry will be on 31st March 2018. What will be the first entry? क्या आएगी first entry? Anybody from your side? Capital account to holders account. So 10% preference share capital account debited to 10% preference share holders account. ठीक है? To preference share holders account. ठीक है? Here I will write being claim transferred at par. Okay. And how much is the amount? Let's see. 1,60,000 multiplied by 10. So it will come 16 lakh. How much? 16 lakh. Now, entry number 2 will be of providing or creating CRR. Now we are transferring claim at par. That was our entry number 8, step number 8. Step number 9 was providing a premium. Now we are transferring at par, so there is no need to pass entry number 9. Straight away we will pass entry number 10. The entry number 10 was creation of CRR. So again, we will going to have a same entry. Which entry beta? General reserve account debited, profit and loss account debited to capital redemption reserve. Okay? So the same entry we will going to pass here. Now let's see the amount. General reserve में कितने पैसे बेटा? 12,000. So we will going to use entire 12,000. Okay. And in profit and loss we have 8,000, but we 8 lakh, but we require only 4 lakh rupees. So straight away we will have total how much? 16 lakh. And I have said when you are doing redemption, complete redemption, entire redemption out of profit, you require to maintain a CRR equal to the nominal amount of shares which you are going to redeem. Okay? After entry number 10, entry number 11 is claim settlement. So on the same date, claim settlement will be holders account debited to bank. Holders account debited to bank account. So we will going to write holders account debited to बैंक अकाउंट और नरेशन वही आ जाएगा बीइंग क्लेम सेटल्ड एट par. Okay, you can write being claim settled at par, or you can write being preference share redeemed at par. Whatever narration is your part, you can write any narration, but it should be related to the entry. Okay, so here we have written 16 lakh. So this is how you have problem number 2 in front of you. Now let's see problem number 3. Now problem number 3 is redemption out of capital. पहले दो प्रॉब्लम ने किसके किए? रिडम्पशन आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. नाउ वी विल गोइंग टू सी रिडम्पशन आउट ऑफ कैपिटल. आई हैव टोल्ड यू 3 मेथड्स फॉर रिडम्पशन. रिडम्पशन आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, रिडम्पशन आउट ऑफ कैपिटल एंड रिडम्पशन बाय कन्वर्जन. ठीक है, और मिक्स मैच आप कर सकते हो, जैसे पार्टली बाय प्रॉफिट, पार्टली बाय कैपिटल, दैट यू कैन डू मिक्स एंड मैच. बट बेसिकली देयर आर 3 मेथड्स. नाउ लेट्स सी प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3. VPS Limited had 10,000 11% preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid up. The company decided to redeem these shares at par by issuing of sufficient number of equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. Past journal entry. So they have specified very clearly that company want to issue a shares of sufficient number. And which kind of a shares it is? Equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. Now let's see 10,000 multiplied by 100. So you have 10 lakh rupees preference share which you want to redeem. ठीक है, और आपको कितने इक्विटी शेयर इशू करने हैं? 10 रुपीज वाले, सफिशिएंट नंबर. सो यू विल गोइंग टू इशू 1 lakh इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ ₹10 ईच. ठीक है. Now look at here. Beta, we will go as per the steps which was given. अच्छा, there is no hard and fast rule कि ये पहले आना चाहिए वो बाद में आना चाहिए. लेकिन why I am focusing on steps? Because if you go as per the steps, you will remember each and every entry and the chances of missing any entries are very less. So पहले 5 entry नहीं आएंगी क्योंकि it is fully paid up. There is no concept of sale of asset. So entry number 6 will not be there. Yes, entry number 7 is fresh issue. Now here we are doing redemption out of capital. So entry number 7 will be there. Date देखो कौन सा है? Date is not mentioned, so we will write 1. First entry will be of fresh issue. अच्छा, पहली एंट्री आप ट्रांसफर की भी पास कर सकते हो, बाद में आप फ्रेश इशू की भी करो, चलेगा. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूं यू शुड गो एज पर द स्टेप्स. उसमें फायदा ये है कि हम कोई एंट्री भूलेंगे नहीं. सो माय फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट debited to bank account. Okay, amount will be 10 lakh rupees. Okay, and the narration will be being 1 lakh equity shares of ₹10 each issued at par. Okay, now coming to second entry, as per the order, second entry will be of transfer of claim. मैंने आपको कहा कि आप पहले ट्रांसफर ऑफ क्लेम का एंट्री पास करो तो बाद में इश्यू ऑफ शेयर करो तो भी चलता है. ठीक है, बट आई पर्सनली फील वी शुड गो एज पर द steps because the chances of error or chances of forgetting any entry are minimized. So second entry was transfer of claim. We are transferring claim at par. We are transferring claim at par. ठीक है, so we will write 11% preference share capital account debited to preference shareholders account. So what was my entry? 11% preference share capital account debited to 11% preference share holders account. Amount will be 10 lakh rupees. What should be the narration? Being claim transfer at par. So being claim for at par. Now my next entry is what? Next entry is what? Claim settlement. ठीक है. Third, 11% holders account debited to bank. Account debited to bank account. Narration will be being claim settled at par. Okay, amount will be 10 lakh rupees. So the entry was very simple, no problem in it. Now let's see problem number 4. Problem number 4 is partly out of profit, partly out of capital. Look at here. YX Limited redeem 18,000 9.5% preference share of rupees 10 each at premium of 10%. 10% premium पे कर रहा है. The company has adequate balance in reserve. वो कह रहा है कंपनी के पास sufficient balance है reserves में. The company issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at 10% discount. Past journal entry in the company's book. So we have two concepts. Number one, we will going to redeem total 18 multiplied by 10, 1,80,000 preference share, and in that 1 lakh we will going to make arrangement from the issue of equity shares, और बाकी का 80,000 को कहां से लाना है? रिजर्व से. So this is a case of partly out of profit, partly out of profit. Now look at problem number 4. Journal entry in the books of YK Limited for redemption of preference share. Dates are not given, so first entry will be of, if we go as per the step, first 6 entry will not be there. 5 किसकी थी? Converting partly paid up into fully paid up. Then next we have sale of assets and investments. So this first 5 entry will not be there. Entry number 7 will be there. 7 क्या था बेटा? क्या था 7? फ्रेश इश्यू. हम क्या इश्यू कर रहे हैं? इक्विटी शेयर्स. ठीक है, कितने पे कर रहे हैं? एट डिस्काउंट. सो वी विल राइट बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड discount on issue account debited to equity share capital account. Let's see, हमने कितने शेयर इशू किए? 10,000 multiplied by 10, so 1 lakh rupees share we have issued. Okay, and this 1 lakh shares में हमको 10% discount, so 10% of 1 lakh comes to 10,000. So ultimately we got how much? 90,000. But total liability is created of rupees 1 lakh. So here we will add being 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at 10% discount. ठीक है. Now as per the step, my second entry will be of transfer of claim. ठीक है, सो हम क्या करेंगे? कहां से ट्रांसफर करेंगे क्लेम? फ्रॉम 9% प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल टू 9.5% प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स अकाउंट. सो 9.5% प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड. किस पे कर रहे हैं हम? वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग एट प्रीमियम. ठीक है, so premium on redemption of preference share capital account 10%. Let's see how much we are transferring the claim. 1,80,000. कहां से पता लगा 1,80,000? 18,000 9.5% preference share of 10 each. So total amount is 1,80,000 and we are doing redemption at 10% premium. So 1,80,000 10% premium comes to 18,000. So total amount which we will going to transfer to holders account is how much? 1,98,000. So here it will be to preference share holders account. Amount is 1,98,000. Narration will be being claim deferred at 10% premium. After that, we have transferred the claim at premium. तो जैसे हमने प्रीमियम पे उसको ट्रांसफर किया, immediately we require to create a or provide a premium. So for providing a premium, we require what? Divisible profit. And in the problem they have written, company have a sufficient balance in reserve. So let's create a provision for premium. General reserve account debited to premium on preferential capital account. ठीक है, amount is 18,000 and narration will be being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. Okay, now my entry number 4 will be of creation of CRR. Okay, in the problem it is said company have a sufficient reserve. So again we will take a general reserve account debited to capital redemption reserve account और नरेशन हम लिखेंगे being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Amount will be कितना अमाउंट आएगा बेटा 80,000. Why 80,000? Look at here, 1 lakh we have already arranged from equity shares. ठीक है, 80,000 from profit, that is reserve. So total we have 1,80,000. How much we have to redeem? 1,80,000 only. And the premium amount of 18,000, that is also we have arranged from general reserve. So total we have a how much? 1,98,000. And how much we have to give? 1,98,000. So my last entry, that is of claim settlement. So my entry will be 9.5% preferential holders account debited to bank. Account debited to bank account. To bank account. My narration will be being claim settled at 10% premium. Amount will be 1,98,000. 1,98,000. Now look at here. प्रॉब्लम को आपस से देखो, पार्टली रिडम्पशन आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड पार्टली आउट ऑफ कैपिटल. इसके लिए मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. लेट्स सी फ्रॉम वेयर हाउ मच अमाउंट वी हैव एक्यूमुलेटेड और गैदर्ड. यहां से देखो, यहां से वी गॉट 1 लाख रुपीज, यहां से वी गॉट 80,000 CRR. ओके, एंड अल्टीमेटली हाउ मच वी हैव टू गिव 1,80,000. प्रीमियम के हमको कितने देने थे बच्चे? 18,000. and this 18,000 we have taken from general reserve. So total we have to pay 1,98,000, and ultimately we got the same amount, 1,98,000 at the end. I hope this problem is clear to everyone. From next lecture onward, we will going to see bigger problems. Today was the first lecture where we have seen simple problem of redemption out of profit, simple problem redemption out of capital, and partly out of capital and partly out of profit. Okay, and in the next lecture we will going to discuss the problems in detail with many journal entries.